Well, hey there, how are you? It's Kathy. Hope you're having a fabulous day. And today's video is going to be all about the Glossy box for December 2019. But if you're new to my channel, great to see you. I appreciate you stopping by. And don't forget to do a big thumbs up and the subscribe button below. And I'd really appreciate it. And don't forget to leave a comment or two. I love speaking with you and I love interacting with you and I love the feedback. So anyways, let's talk about this Glossy box for December 2019. I just got it in the mail. I have, taken off all my address and stuff, but this is a nice subscription box that I get every month. They're beauty products, and let's see what we got. I haven't seen any of the, spoilers out there, so let's see what we got. Sometimes it takes a while to figure out how to open it, but let's go to it. There we are. So let's open it up and see what we got. Ooh, how pretty. Look at the presentation. You open the box and you got another box inside. So you get the regular, Hello Fresh America, America's #1 milk kit, 80% gift, $80 gift card if you buy. And then you also have the coupon for the wine voucher. So let's jump in and get the actual box. Here it is. Let me put this away because I have a little table. And here's the actual box. Isn't that just really festive for this time of year? So let's go. Take it off. Look at that presentation. They always do a wonderful job with a nice little bow, and then it has the little paper, and let's see what we got. So, okay, I thought I got, a little, shortchanged here, but it turns out a lot of the stuff through the mail kind of got jiggled and it got underneath the little stringy paper that they have. So, let's talk first off. We have from Steve Laurent. And they don't have a card anymore. They have it online, which is kind of bugs me a little bit. So I can't tell you what the prices are, but I'll leave the link below for this box and the description. So this is Steve Laurent lip gloss, and here's the box, and here's the actual packaging. And then let's open it up. Ooh. Look at that. That is a holiday color if I've ever seen one. Wow. Let's see what the color is. It says, doesn't have a color on this, and it's a lip gloss. I don't see it handy, but it's a really beautiful red. So I'm okay with that. Next up we have is LA Splash Golden Gatsby 3D Faux Mink Lashes. Wow, those are some big honkers there. And if you want to sit there and show all that stuff and having a like a really great party, this would be great for New Year's Eve. Really pretty. It says, calling darling, it wouldn't be a party without you. That is cute as a bug. And it has all that party stuff on there. And let's see, I don't have a price on it, and it's called $19.20. So really nice. And then, I love this. I have another Luxy brush. And this one, it is the pink. It's the spooler. So that way, you can do your eyebrows and get them tamed before you sit there and you finish them up. I really like these. This is really nice. So let me show you that. And here's the handle on it. It's that nice pink with the really beautiful rose goldy color finial. Really like this one. And you know what? I always appreciate getting, brushes. Really nice. Then we have is Nail Medic Rejuvenator Nail and Cuticle Energizer. Right there we are. Look at that. Really nice packaging. It has that holographic. Let's see if it mixes. No, it doesn't. But really nice. Let's see if this is a spray or a brush or what. Oh, it's a nice little brush. Look at that. and you just put it in there and you put it on your cuticles. Especially this time of year, oh my goodness, they're dry as ever, and you know what? This is a real keeper. I really like this one. And then, last but not least, we have Reather, R-E-A-H-E-R, Ultimate Glow Getter. Look at that. Okay, let's see what it is. And it says it's a cheek trio. Let's open this sucker up. And it's a nice plastic container. It has a nice mirror. And then look at those. It looks like it has, you know, a really nice blush here. Then we have a highlighter, and then we have a contour, or, you know, or kind of a bronzer. Really nice. I like this one. And it has a nice mirror, nice compact, and it's a cheek trio. I really like this one. So, you know, for the holiday, this is really nice. I like the colors. I'm not disappointed with this box. Kind of interesting collection. No name brand, but I really like the cuticle, you know, enhancer, energizer. This really nice Steve Laurent, you know, lip gloss was really nice, but it doesn't have a brush to go with it, so that kind of is a little disappointment. Love these, but I'm not the big, you know, false eyelash lady, but I do wear them on occasion, and I really appreciate this. So let me know what you got in yours, and I hope you liked this video, and make sure to do a big thumbs up, and see you in the next video. Have a fabulous one. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.